Hi friends, in this video I am going to share what are the charges and tax we need to pay when we take a entry into a share market. So all the details I provided in the description of this video. If you enable this description by clicking here, you can read all these things. So after the video, if you go through this description, you will get a clarity. So one disclaimer, this charges and percentage is a timely figure. It may vary time to time. So it will help you only to get a rough idea how much extra charge we need to pay. So if I take an example, if you are making an intraday trade of 1 lakh rupees, on top of brokerage about 20-25 rupees we need to pay. How these charges will be coming, that I am going to explain. So if you like to open a free demat and trading account with angel broking, I provided a link here that you can use it. Okay, now we can see different charges. So first charge is brokerage, then security transaction charge, service tax, stamp duty, exchange transaction charge, SEBI turnover charge, depository participant charge, it will come only for the delivery order, and capital gain tax. These are the total charges on top of our turnover we need to pay. Now I will explain one by one in detail. So first one is brokerage. So there are basically two type of brokers. One is full service broker and other one is discount broker. The prime difference between these two brokers, full service broker will give lot of service to us, and most of the banks are full service brokers. So they will provide us a lively support, all this thing, and they will have big customer care for that service. Usually full service brokers charges their brokerage in percentage. It may vary from 0.01 percentage to 0.5 percentage, and it will be different for intraday and delivery order. It will vary from broker to broker. But in case of discount broker, mostly it will be a flat rate, like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, like that. Even some broker charges only at the time of buy entry, sell or sell entry. Most of the brokers will charge separate charges for buy order and sell order. And even there are few brokers like even angel broking, for the delivery order there is no charge for brokerage. So it varies from broker to broker. So better to check with your own broker what will be the charges. Next most expensive charge is security transaction tax. So I already made a detailed video about security transaction tax. I will provide the link on the top here, top of this video. So if you would like to know more about security transaction tax, you can see that video. I'll give you a rough idea. So basically this security transaction tax is charged by a security. So it will be charging during the buy and sell order. During the intraday, if it's a delivery type order, if it's a intraday, it's only charging at the time of sell. It will be about 0.1 percentage of total transaction. And for the intraday, it will be around 0.025 percentage of the total transaction. So this will be the security transaction tax. Now next one is our GST. I'll keep it like this. Okay, service tax or GST. So when someone is providing a service, we need to pay the GST. So currently our brokerage, it's a service. So for that amount, we have to pay the GST. Even the DP charge, it's a service. So for that also we have to pay GST. So roughly if you take 20 rupees is our brokerage, so 18 percentage, about 18, 10, if it is 10 rupees, 1.8, so 20 rupees, 3.6. 3.6 rupees extra we have to pay as a GST. So if it is 40 rupees, double of 3.6 will come. Now next one is stamp duty. Okay, stamp duty will vary from state to state. It's charged by the state government, and intraday it will be different, delivery it will be different. So when we are making a contract, even though it is electronically, there is a stamp duties involved. So you can see in Maharashtra, for intraday 0.002 percentage, and for delivery, intraday, and for delivery it is 0.01 percentage. In Delhi, for intraday it is 0.025 percentage, and delivery 0.025 percentage. It's same. And each state will have its own stamp duties. So whichever state you belongs, you can check your state stamp duties. Or when you are getting a contract note from our broker after a trade, you can see that charges there. So these all charges, if you want to get a clarity, better to check the contract note. Most of time every broker will share with us in the end of the day. So in that clearly they will mention. Next charge is exchange transaction charge. So our exchange is a stock exchange. So this is a charge charged by the stock exchange. For National Stock Exchange, for the service they provide, they charge 0.00325 percentage, and for the Bombay Stock Exchange 0.0275 percentage. So if you are taking a trade on the National Stock Exchange, slightly higher charge you need to pay. If it's a Bombay Stock Exchange, slightly compared to National Stock Exchange, charge is less, even though it's a very minimal figure. Now next charge is a SEBI turnover charge. SEBI is a regulatory organization and they will make all the rules and regulations. For that purpose, SEBI charge 0.0002 percentage of the total amount. That is for it will be same for intraday and delivery orders. Next charge is the DP charge. DP charge is only applicable for delivery order. It will be charged at the time of sell. Means DP is a depository participant charge. Depository is charging on a depository participant. Depository participant is our broker. Broker in turn charge on us. I made a detailed video about it. I will provide the I button on the top here somewhere. So DP charge will vary from broker to broker, and it will be there are two participants, CDSL charge separate amount, NSDL will charge a separate amount, and for each broker it vary from 10 rupees to 35 rupees. So depending upon your broker, from your contract note you can see how much they are charging. In the case of angel broking, it will come around 23 rupees, and in the I not remember for other brokers. So if you go through the video which I made for DP, each broker charge I mentioned specifically. So next one is a capital gain tax. So there are two types of capital gain. One is short time capital gain, other one is long time capital gain. If you make a buy entry and sell within a year, it will consider as short time capital gain, and if you are selling after a year, it will consider as long time capital gain. So whatever gain we are getting, we have to pay tax. If it's a short time, flat 15% we have to pay. If it's a long time, it will consider as our income, and we have to pay tax according to our slab. If it's for a intraday trading, that also considered as speculative income, and for that we have to add to our other incomes, and we have to pay the tax. Okay friends, if you have any questions, please comment on my comment line, and if you need any or like to open a free account, use the links in the description. Then friends, thanks for watching my video.